to Bharatiya Kala Samskriti's 5th annual cultural event. Similar to last year, due to COVID-19 restrictions, we are continuing the celebration in the digital platform. Bharatiya Kala Samskriti, established in 2016, is a non-profit organization working to promote Indian arts and culture by providing a platform for young talent by conducting music and dance recitals, workshops and lecture demonstrations. Bharatiya Kala Samskriti also sponsors scholarships to talented and deserving students who excel in various Indian art forms. Bharatiya Kala Samskriti also promotes the divine language of Sanskritam in oral and written forms by conducting interactive Sanskritam classes through the Kalashala, which is currently in a virtual mode. Students of our Kalashala and of the gurus associated with Bharatiya Kala Samskriti will be exhibiting a bouquet of talents in music, dance and cultural heritage of Sanskritam language. This year, we have chosen the concept of numbers for our cultural event. Mathematics is one subject that stands above cultural, political, religious and racial differences. The magic of numbers has been captured by people of different culture and regions in multiple ways. Indians have attributed significance to numbers from the very ancient times. Our surviving Sanskrit texts reveal a rich tradition of Indian mathematical discoveries lasting more than 2,500 years. It is believed that the method of expressing every number with a set of 10 symbols emerged in India. Interesting, isn't it? Ancient Indians used numbers in religious ceremonies and rituals as symbols of divinities and their energies. In this year's event, presented as a series of performances, each guru will present the significance of a number from 1 to 12 in our culture. Your presence and blessings are much appreciated by our family of gurus, parents, participants and well-wishers in this journey of exploring Indian art forms. Please subscribe and tune in to our YouTube channel and join us in this celebration. Thank you.
Namaste. Thank you all very much for joining us this year in our annual cultural event to mark the completion of 5 years since Bharatiya Kala Samskriti has been established. It has been a year and a half since the pandemic has hit us, but as you will see, it did not stop our gurus and their students in their journey of learning and enjoying the Indian art forms. For this year's annual cultural event, we have chosen the number concept. As Rani has mentioned, since the time of our ancestors, numbers always had significance in our Indian culture. Music and dance gurus associated with Bharatiya Kala Samskriti have come forward to present the significance of each of these numbers from 1 to 12 very creatively. I am humbled to present to you all their performances on these number concepts as per our Indian culture. Kindly encourage this effort of our gurus and their students by watching their performances and blessing the young artists. On behalf of Bharatiya Kala Samskriti, I would like to thank all the gurus, their participating students and their families, without the support of which this event would not have been possible. I would also like to thank Srimati Rani Ramayar for her introduction about Bharatiya Kala Samskriti and Srimati Uma Gopal Batina for introducing the gurus this year. I would also like to thank Kannan and Shobha for their continued support during the planning phase of all Bharatiya Kala Samskriti's cultural events. I would like to acknowledge my deepest gratitude to the well-wishers of Bharatiya Kala Samskriti, without whose blessings any of these events would not have been possible. Thank you very much once again. Please enjoy the performances. Namaste.
Guru Srimati Arundhati Shenoy is a Bharatanatyam dancer and choreographer who trained under Guru Vidushi Pushpa Krishnamurti of Shimoga. Currently, she is training at Shankarananda Kalakshetra in Hyderabad. the founder director of Sumedha Center for Performing Arts, she believes in nourishing students through Indian art forms. She will be explaining the significance of number 10 through her performance.
Namaste. I am Arundhati Shenoy. My pranams to all my gurus. I thank Shrivani Garu and BKS team for giving us an opportunity to perform for the annual event of Bharatiya Kala Samskriti. The number I chose is 10. The first thing that comes to our mind when 10 is presented in Hindu mythology is Dasha avatars of Lord Vishnu. However, 24 avatars of Vishnu are listed in Bhagavatam. Ultimately, based on the length of the time that Lord spent on earth, 10 major avatars are listed. Why does an incarnation happen? In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir-bhavati bharata abhyudhanam adharmasya tadatmanam srujanyaham paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. Whenever there is a decline in righteousness and an increase in sinfulness, O Arjuna, at that time I manifest myself on earth to protect the righteous, to annihilate the wicked, and to re-establish the principles of dharma. I appear on this earth age after age. There are three features for every major avatar. First, an incarnation comes to earth when there is Devata Stuti, requesting God to come down to earth and help restore dharma. Second, Lord comes down to earth, performs his task. Once the task is accomplished, the incarnation leaves behind a glorious chapter of deeds, revelations and miracles for the mankind to remember and serve as guidance. Lord Vishnu is also known as Dasha Rupa Bhuta, meaning he took 10 forms. Lord Rama is also called as Dasha Ripu because he killed the 10-headed demon king Ravana. Even though scholars agree that Vishnu has 10 major avatars, there is difference in various sects regarding them. Majority agree on Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parashurama, Rama and Kalki. Some sects take Krishna as an avatar after Rama. Some consider Balarama also as an avatar. Most sects include Buddha as an avatar of Vishnu. For my presentation, I have chosen Ashtapadi written by the 12th century poet Jayadeva. This is the first Ashtapadi written by Jayadeva in his composition Gita Govinda. In this soulful Ashtapadi, Jayadeva sings in praise of 10 avatars. He considers all the avatars to be of Krishna. In this Ashtapadi, Matsya is praised for saving the 4 Vedas. Kurma supports the vast Mandara mountain during Samudra Manthan. Varaha brings back Mother Earth from the clutches of demon Hiranyaksha. Narahari kills demon Hiranyakashipu. Vamana pushes Bali to Netherlands. Parashurama destroys the evil Kshatriyas. Rama kills the 10-headed Ravana. Balarama shows his prowess in farming and agriculture. Buddha shows the path to non-violence and peace. Finally, Kalki. He destroys the various sects and fractions in the society. So, presenting to you Dashavatara. Enjoy.
Ah जले धृतवानसि वेदम् विहितवहित्र चरित्रमखेदम् विहितवहित्र चरित्रमखेदम् केशवधृता मीन शरीरा केशवधृता मीन शरीरा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे क्षितिरिह विपुलतरे तिष्ठति तव पृष्ठे धरनिधारण किन चक्रगरिष्ठे धरनिधारण किन चक्रगरिष्ठे केशवधृता कूर्मशरीरा केशवधृता कूर्मशरीरा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे वसति दर्शन शिखरे धरणी तव लग्ना शशिनि कलंक कलेवनि मग्ना शशिनि कलंक कलेवनि मग्ना केशवधृता शूकर रूपा केशवधृता शूकर रूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे तव कर कमलवरेण कमाद्भुत शृङ्गा दलित हिरण्यकशिपूतनुभृङ्गा दलित हिरण्यकशिपूतनुभृङ्गा केशवधृता नरहरिरूपा केशवधृता नरहरिरूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे छलयसि विक्रमणे बलिमद्भुत वामना वदन खनीर जनित जन पावना वदन खनीर जनित जन पावना केशवधृता वामन रूपा केशवधृता वामन रूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे क्षत्रिय रुधिरमये जगदपगतपापम् स्नपयसि पयसि शमितभवतापम् स्नपयसि पयसि शमितभवतापम् केशवद्रीता भृगुपतिरूपा केशवद्रीता भृगुपतिरूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे वितरसि दिक्षुरणे दिक्पति कमनीयम् दशमुखमौलि बलिं रमणीयम् दशमुखमौलि बलिं रमणीयम् केशवद्रीता रामशरीरा केशवद्रीता रामशरीरा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे वहसि वपुषि विसदे वसनं जलदाभम् हलहति भीति मिलितयमुनाभम् हलहति भीति मिलितयमुनाभम् केशवद्रीता हलधररूपा केशवद्रीता हलधररूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे निन्दसि यज्ञविधे श्रुतिजातम् सदय हृदय दर्शित पशुघातम् सदय हृदय दर्शित पशुघातम् केशवद्रीता बुद्धशरीरा केशवद्रीता बुद्धशरीरा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे म्लेच्छनि वह निधने कलयसि करवालम् धूमकेतुमिव किमपि करालम् धूमकेतुमिव किमपि करालम् केशवद्रीता कल्किशरीरा केशवद्रीता कल्किशरीरा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे हृदमुदितमुदारम् शृणु सुखदं शुभदं भवसारम् शृणु सुखदं शुभदं भवसारम् केशवधृता दशविधरूपा केशवधृता दशविधरूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश